Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45.
Anytime. And if somebody comes near your house, just get the
severe thunderstorm was located over Birdsboro or near moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail.
Yeah, it's a little more.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Fleetwood, Tofton, Valley, Bechtelsville, Lyons, New Morgan, Boyertown, Mount Penn, St. Lawrence, Lorraine, Reefen, Amity Gardens, and Flying Hills. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 43 and 44. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 5 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania.